Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Pandu Parantun from the Information System Faculty of National Informatica Campus. Here I would like to explain the material about inside the computer and software and operational system. Number one, inside the computer, hardware component. Central processing unit CPU. The CPU server as a brain of the computer, performing calculation, baseline instruction, and managing the flow between components. Memory, random access memory, temporary storage for quick access, enabling fast accessing of active process and application. Storage device, hard drive, RGB, and solid state drive SSD hold out that permanent, with SSD offered faster read and write speed for improved performance. Input or output peripherals, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer human interaction with computer facilitation input for processing on output user. Computer access vector essentials. For Neumann axis vector, the device from a read and computer structure inputting input processing CPU storage and output units the work in sequence. That process fetch by like address at that and control is the motherboard enable efficient communication between system component, clock speed and efficiency. The computer clock is engine operational where it clock speed translates to faster processing that requires efficiency calling. Hardware and software communication. Driver. The sequence program adds the translator enabling the operating system to interact with hardware like printers, GPU, and network cards. Firmware stores in ROM firmware facilitation engine hardware function by running low-level program like BOS and UEFI during booting. Mid-level software bridge layer enable interaction between hardware vectors and higher-level application ensure consistent operation. Number two, material of software and operating system. Operating system role, hardware management, overseas and allocated hardware resources like CPU, memory, and storage to ensure smooth operation. User interface support, private interface, command line or graphical environment to interact with the computer. Program execution, manage program loading, execution, and termination will ensure efficiency utilization of system resource. Software layers, application layer, user-facing application like web, browser, and web browser providing functionality tailored for user. 2. Middleware layer, as a hybrid between the application software and operating system, facilitating communication and data management. 3. Operating system layer, basic system level software to manage hardware, user, and provides ancient service for other software. Hardware software and OS integration. Number one, hardware is integration facilities input or output operation retrieve and control for reading device. 2. As an intermediary, manage communication between software application and physical hardware component to ensure compatibility. 3. Software functionality enable user program to execute text and perform operation using resources provided by the operating system. Thank you for listening, and if there are any mistakes, please forgive me.